Chief Minister Nongthong Mambiren assures AMTUC and AMGEO of implementation of 7th Pay Commission within 3 months. The 11th Regional Border Committee meets between Indian and Myanmar armies reaffirms cooperation between the two neighboring countries. Laisram Yasmin of JNB Kumbong wins 39th state level student science seminar to represent Manipur at National Science Seminar. And the 5th edition of Northeast Festival will be held in the first week of next month at Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts, New Delhi. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthong Mambiren has assured the Joint Administrative Council of AMTUC and AMGEO of implementation of the 7th Pay Commission within 3 months. Joint Administrative Council of AMTUC and AMGEO met the Chief Minister for the 3rd time today. The Chief Minister assured the JSC of implementation of the 7th Pay Commission within 3 months at the meeting. Addressing media persons at their office in Babupara today, President of the JSC, Senior Advocate Kaidamani stated that the Chief Minister told them that the government took time to get a detailed report since the financial condition of the state was not strong. The Chief Minister informed the JSC that the first meeting of the committee was held on the 24th of this month. The Chief Minister assured the JSC that he will urge the centre even if there are going to be financial issues during implementation. Nongthong Mambiren also appealed to employees to work sincerely and religiously. Joint Administrative Council of AMTUC and AMGEO has maintained that it has not made any announcement to launch agitation.
Thabak lepi ki strike lakpa, mass casual lip ki strike lakpa, strike to D. Aikoi Joint Administrative Council asina apex body oina lejaru banina palachu patrapchu. Masi ke tanaraga sanction menasi sarkar na employees ingi interest tare chobu pay commission chana hanbache aikoi yaning da balite. Adubu sel tumgi pibam oibenina aikoi lairabu state oibenina pick state oibenina etang arubati le. Adugo megi pot ama leibanina matam khatang di changani fitment committee na mamangi government ge horam da bodo hoju phajana hore fitment committee sina along with the government asi toraga maje thijileraga hairi pon amsa sumaina piba yai haiba mam se cabinet ta langkhalaga cabinet na with the permission of the chief minister khanareraga lepaga tawgodorimni.
The 11th Regional Border Committee meets between the Indian and Myanmar armies reaffirmed cooperation between the two neighboring countries. The 11th Regional Border Committee meet concluded today. During the meeting, the Myanmar side has given the assurance that no organizations which threaten the security and interests of India will be allowed to operate or stay in Myanmar. Indian delegates at the meeting also assured the Myanmar delegation of cooperation and efforts to promote peace and understanding between the two neighbors. The high-level meeting, focusing on several issues including border and security-related issues, started this morning at 7:30 at IGAR South in Mantri Pukri. The Myanmarese delegation at the meeting was led by Commander of Northwest Command, Myanmar Army, Major General Phon Myat, while Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan led the Indian side. In their closing addresses, both sides reaffirmed their commitment to improve relationship and cooperation between the two neighboring countries. However, both sides refused to divulge the details of the meeting, which lasted almost 6 hours. Tight security measures were taken during the meeting.
The discussions also reflected a high degree of commitment on both sides to strengthen ties between both the countries. I am confident that with mutual cooperation and enhanced understanding, together we will be able to ensure peace and prosperity in the region. I am sanguine that following up from these fruitful discussions, the mutual trust and cooperation between the two countries will move to yet another level, higher level in the near future.
insurgency affair and miscellaneous and World War II Army have achieved all means to resolve insurgency issue. I would like to discuss that we will never allow any organization manage the security and interests of India to stay in our territory, and we are going to fight again with them according to the policy of our Commander-in-Chief, sir.
Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian has stated that the government has taken up schemes to double farmers' income by 2022. The minister warns that if the farmers do not follow the guidelines, the schemes will not be fruitful. V. Hankalian was speaking at the Churachandpur district level sensitization program held under the theme Different Schemes of Agriculture at a Young Paite Association Hall in Churachandpur district. District Agriculture Officer Churachandpur organized the program. He appeals to farmers to increase their yield. He maintains that use of modern technology rather than age-old methods used by the forefathers will increase the yield. The minister also said the government will formulate a policy for jhum cultivation in the hills. He urged the farmers to avail the benefits of various schemes of the agriculture departments to improve their income.
Agriculture scientists na puthok cheriba new technology singsi ekoi ga chuna ga daba chana ga doba madu pai khalaga ekoi gi pothok se henna thokan na ba lam se chawkhat han ba jade matam khuding piksille agriculture area se ekoi lejeriba lam kharadang da henna pothok se puthok na ba madu gi technology se ekoi adapt to ba darkar lebra rabra haina khalle ngasi lakpi riba farmers singna nakoi khaktak na khangman nasu yaroi ate lakpa ngamdaba farmer singda sigi technology se seasonally ekoi gi pothok hen thokani haibagi paujel se pina na ba su haijeri.
National Health Mission Manipur today observed the Global Iodine Deficiency Disorder (IDD) Prevention Day at the hall of the Indian Medical Association (IMA) Lamphel-Pat. The event was organized to spread awareness among the people to prevent diseases caused by iodine deficiency. Speaking at the event, Health and Family Welfare Director Dr. K. Rajo said the IDD Prevention Day is observed across the globe on October 21, but the day is observed today in Manipur due to unavoidable circumstances. He said although people consume iodized salt, consumption of anti-iodine food, leaving the iodine container open and keeping the iodized products near fire reduces the iodine value. Dr. Rajo stated that pregnant women need to consume food containing iodine. He said if the pregnant women suffer iodine deficiency, there is a risk of the baby being abnormal, growth issues and even death. He added consumption of iodized salt will not only prevent goiter but also improve health.
Once now, the team is here, and the yard, but quite a live among the way, and those and that's so service, as in a baby. They very sort of me up to the Entoni, Masina, you may have me, but the social media is in the never suffered society is similar as a young song material.
Laisram Yasmin of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Khumbong, has won the 39th State Level Student Science Seminar. She will represent Manipur at the National Science Seminar to be held at Birla Industrial and Technological Museum, Kolkata on November 9. Yasmin, a Class 10 student, bagged the first position at the 39th State Level Student Science Seminar organized by Directorate of Education as today at Lamyanba, Shanglen. 14 students from 14 districts who were selected at the district level seminar took part in the state level seminar on Swachh Bharat, a role of science and technology, promises and challenges. In his speech as the Chief Guest, Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham emphasized the role and responsibility of people in keeping the environment neat and clean. He also asserted that the people need to maintain a healthy mind.
We have full of talents. Only guide to be mentor to the work and a platform PB the one. Adugi Nasigi, Kandur Bagangse, Masia Tongan Tongan personalities mayam tongan department ki scientific science ka mari lena department se PhD hai bhi hai PWD hai gira adagi manirada hai gira sigum bagi engineer sing apawa masak nai mi sing siga koi unalaga interact holaga haying ada present tawlo ngamna koi soidana madu koi director koi tanare koi soidana unan gani.
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham attended the inauguration of the International Conference on Consumer Protection for East, South and Southeast countries in New Delhi today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the conference held on the theme Empowering Consumers in New Markets. Speaking to the Rajya Sabha Television, RSTV, on the sidelines of the conference, Minister Sham said in Manipur, Consumer Protection Act has been effectively implemented since the new government came to power. The two-day conference is organized by Department of Consumer Affairs, Government of India and the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Director, CAF and PD, Yumnam Ranjan and other officials are also attending the conference. Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Adhya Prasad Pandey, today inaugurated a two-day national seminar on ethnography, historiography and Northeast India at the Vice-Chancellor's Secretariat. The seminar was organized by Department of History and Asiatic Society, Kolkata. In his inaugural speech, Professor Adhya Prasad Pandey stressed the need for in-depth study, translation and re-representation of rich cultural history of the region to the world. Many scholars, teachers and students attended the seminar.
If they can revitalize the history as well as culture as well as our ethics also, because our ethics are they are in Manipuri language. So I want that it should be translated in English also, so that people from other parts of the world may know that how rich heritage we have.
BJP Manipur Pradesh today felicitated 11 Zilla Parishad members, including Adhyaksha and Upa-Adhyaksha of Imphal East at the party's office at Nite Pak Chutek. President of BJP Manipur Pradesh and Rajya Sabha MP Khetrimayum Bhabananda, MLA Dr. Y. Radhesham, party leaders and members were present at the event. Khetrimayum Bhavananda expressed happiness over the success of candidates supported by the party. He maintains that their success in the grassroots shows that the party has people's support.
Karigumba thabak kharadi karigumba praja ge thabak kharadi torkani khaibi ge thajaba digi matungina panchayat elections da akhibu thajaba leidana vote pibirakmani Bisenpur dasu akhoi gi sem hai jiri dasu sem hai ada lemori ba disip kunima akhoi gi BJP ne leto go sarkar ma sungyo soidana sem magani masi maruina governance da yamna marui bis grassroots level da akhoina praja si tawriba governance grassroots level la jo be hai ba taragadi akhoina panchayat election gumba local election gumba si yamna marui ba.
Women Helpline Manipur has appeals to public, especially young girls from the hill districts, to remain vigilant against lucrative job offers and incentives outside the state. The helpline in the press release said 3 girls, 2 from Churachandpur and 1 from Senapati, who were lured with a job offer as beautician in Bangalore, have been rescued recently by Karnataka Police, Imphal West Police and Women Helpline 181. Thaunojam Ongbi Dr. Ramabai Larenjam has been sworn as the Adhyaksha of Bishnupur district, while Ningthaujam Dinesh of Thanga Zilla Parishad has been elected Upa-Adhyaksha. Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur, Bobby Wycombe, administered the oath of office to them at District Panchayat Resources Center, Bishnupur district today. Elected members and pradhans were also sworn in at the multipurpose hall of Mini Secretariat Complex, Bishnupur. Elected Zilla Parishad members, Pradhans and members of Thoubal Zilla Parishad were sworn in today. Hasina Begum has been unanimously elected Adhyaksha of Thoubal Zilla Parishad, while Takhelambam Nungshi has been elected Upa Adhyaksha. DC Thoubal L. Nabakishore administered the oath of office to 10 members of Thoubal Zilla Parishad at the conference hall of Thoubal DC. Welcoming the talks held between Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee and Manipur government in connection with the inclusion of Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list, the All Manipur Muslim Organizations Coordinating Committee (AMOCOG) termed the non-inclusion of Manipuri Muslims in the talks as unfortunate. AMOCOG questioned if the Muslims will be left behind in the general category. Speaking to media persons at their office in Hatta, AMOCOG President SM Jalal hoped that the government will act according to the sentiments of the people of Manipur. Jalal asked the government to let the people know which communities will be included in the list. He maintains that the Manipuri Muslims are an indigenous group and that they meet the criteria of being included in the Scheduled Tribe list. Like the Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, AMOCOG has also been demanding the Manipuri Muslims to be included in the Scheduled Tribe list since 2013. AMOCOG will soon hold a public convention with the participation of CSOs of the state.
Maitei Scheduled Tribe ta include tawba taragadi Maitei Ningol gi macha masu oiriba pangan community se general da leihau katra haiba wafam sin aikhoi gi community gi waiba magi features tongana leijaba malem da aikhoi gi community asiga manaba adugumba community ama phawba leitaba masagi tonganba unique identity masagi leijaba adugumba community amani Indian Constitution gi article number 342 da piriba aikhoi gi Scheduled Tribe bu masak hangbada criteria singado fulfill tawba adugumba community amani issue si resolve tawnana ba honabada yamna inclusive oiba adugumba khongthang ama lokhat minaraga resolve tawbana akoi punamaki oina phaba amasung achumba khongthang sungsoi soidana oigani.
All Manipur Police Constable Viva Voice completed candidate fresh batch 2016. 10+2 threatens to intensify their protests in all hills and valley districts if the government does not declare the results of the recruitment within November 4. Information Secretary of the association R.K. Shital told media persons that Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren declined their request for an appointment with him on August 18. He also said the candidate stormed the Chief Minister's bungalow on October 22, demanding immediate declaration of the results, but the government has turned a deaf ear.
2016 10+2 All Hill District Committee General Secretary Mike Dioina that Marie Gi Manung Bada Tabaksi Haidopi Derabadi Singi Mafam Kuding the Akanba Kongzang Lakani Masidasu Hill District JSC Nasu Mapung Pana Sawatkani.
The second Quata festival will begin from tomorrow in the border village. The festival aims at promoting Quata as a tourist spot and improving the life of the villagers. Waiko Monindro Kumar of Roots of Freedom at the press meet held at Manipur Press Club today appeals to people to participate in the festival. He told the media persons that due to bamboo flowering in the past few years, production of soyboom, which is the main source of income of the villagers, has been affected. The 3-day festival will be organized by Quata Soyboom Festival Organization in association with Quata People Welfare Committee and Roots of Freedom.
Ichin inauk duda koina haijaning badi manungi oiban nongaina daba makoigi sauning ba natraga awat pa maduna thumatana haiba banna chingba tawgani haibadi oiramgani haibabu leiriba festival si Quata kungangi oinadi yamna chauba makoigi lifeline gi achauba lambe na mo oibanina masida amuktang support tawbiu aduna bangumba leiribase tangai fadana tang kunga taret kunipan kumapan sidi Maduda ayada pan pidana sagot pinabagi hairiba marinenaba singduda akoigi site gi apil amukhtanga mayamda thamjage.
It's time for a small commercial break, and the 5th edition of the Northeast Festival will be held from November 3 to 5 at Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts in the nation's capital. We bring more on the festival after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The 5th edition of the Northeast Festival will be held from November 3 to 5 at Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts IGNCA Janpat in the nation's capital. The festival will bring to the fore the colorful montage of the Northeast, including 30 dance forms like the Naga dance, warrior dance, Thangta of Manipur, Hojagiri of Tripura, bamboo dance of Mizoram, Wangala dance of Meghalaya, lion dance of Arunachal Pradesh, etc. With support from Northeastern Handicrafts and Handloom Development Corporation, a buyers, sellers meet and design weekend is being organized, showcasing the top designs of Northeast to be presented by beautiful models from the region and celebrity showstoppers. One of the major attractions of the festival will be the NEF Rock Battle. NEF Football Cup will be organized between October 26 and November 2. The Northeast Festival this year will be a collaborative attempt of IGNCA, NEHHDC, and the governments of northeastern states. Jiri College Employees Association today donated 50,000 rupees to Chief Minister's Relief Fund to help the flood-affected people. The amount was handed over to Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren at Chief Minister's Secretariat. The Chief Minister thanked the association members for their generosity. People living with HIV today demanded their pending conveyance allowance as soon as possible. A former president of MNP Plus, Morangte Manglem, told the media that as per the office memorandum issued by Manipur State AIDS Control Society on May 18 in 2015, rupees 150 per month is to be provided to give to the people living with HIV at ART centers. He said the patients were given only 6-month conveyance allowance. He appeals to all authorities concerned to give the pending allowance as soon as possible.
No one should not claim complain authority makes inbuilt provision to protection to bidre Mari Lenaba Department government Sigi Mokogi Mateng to Kona Pami, I took a Pazana inquiry to Pami, I took inquiry team to Soikona external provision later, Yapagani and Kanbagi.
Manipur Students Federation MSF has alleged that an essay written by Omar Singh Wangkem, the writers Mahabharata and Ramayana as a real religious scientist, has contents challenging Manipur's traditional cultural beliefs and rituals. Addressing media persons at MSF office in Kashampat, Toplairak, Vice President of MSF Oinam Prem Sagar said the first edition of the book was printed in 2016-17 and published by the author, who is from Kashamthong, Longjam Laikai. He appeals to the bookstores not to sell the book. He also urged the authorities concerned to prevent publication of such books in future.
Manungsida koina yengjau matamda aduki matik asoibasi aduki matik yaure asoibana natana khoi gyan manta daba aduga niyum chumdaba yumpham yogdaba kaya amana pulap punjalaga asagi lairik asi semgotlaga iba lairik ni na khoi MSF ki site gi hariba keno si lairik asi khoi masi publish to ba yaroi hana khoi MSF ki site gi thingjanjare Manipur da lairiba praja mayamna kaiguma lairik ama phongning ba lairaga su forum gumba adagi Manipur gi sagi akhang ahising laira kanada asagi lairik si phongba yai natraga yade habsi kupna thido oba matungda lairik si sumba si smai toga phongbiyu hadana ai mayam da soina appeal tawjare.
All Manipur Students Union has prohibited students in their school or college uniform from entering the empty space above the Ima Market in Koramban Bazaar during school and college hours. MSU Lamshang branch will organize an essay competition on November 12 for students of class 7 to 10. Forms are available at Lamshang Public School. Universal Friendship Organization (UFO) will organize a public discussion on Pagi Param Thiba, Pugi Puram Thiba on October 30 at Meitei Huyen Lalong Sindam Shang Sajal Academy in Oksu Ningthemcha Khul, Imphal East. UFO Secretary General Y. Meraba told the media that the people of 6 Tangkul villages, 1 Kom village and 7 Meitei villages of Oksu Ningthemcha Khul will take part in the event. Meraba appeals to the people to come in traditional dresses.
Aikogi tongan tongamba puruk Meitei leiriba ate yellow mi mayam singsigi marakta leiriba nungchi sanabase porpa ngamgadra haina thajajabadegi asigumba thoramsi pangdokpani hairiba thoram sida leibak asida lamdam asida leibiriba lamdam asibu nungsijaba amadi ingtapa nungsi chanaba adugumba pamba lupsing loinana lanai miyosingna sigumba thoram sida lengbiraklaga magi oiba wakalon thambiraga tangdu leitaba kunai ama sembagi wakalon se thambiramaga UFO gi thomi singna thabak oina ondokchage.
Yaifa Yumbal, and Manipuri novel by Nauroibam Amengba Elias Shanti Kumar was released today at Manipur Press Club. Vice Chancellor of Cultural University of Manipur N. Khogendro released a book published by Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur. The book is based on the tradition and belief of the Meitei community. Now the sports news. Spain and England have set up the title clash of the Under-17 FIFA World Cup hosted by India. In the semi-finals yesterday, Spain defeated Mali 3-1 at Navi Mumbai to book a final berth for the 4th time, while England stunned the 3-time champions Brazil by the same margin at Kolkata to enter their maiden final. For Spain, captain Abel Ruiz scored twice, with Ferran Torres being the other goal scorer. For England, Ryan Brewster struck his 2nd consecutive hat-trick of the tournament. He is now the highest goal scorer in the tournament with 7 goals. The final will be played in Kolkata on Saturday. The 2 losing semi-finalists, Brazil and Mali, will play for the 3rd place on the same day. Sub-Junior Girls National Football Championship kicked off at Komdong-Pokpi Sports Complex, Wangjing today. In the first Group C League match played today, Madhya Pradesh trashed Jammu Kashmir 17-0. In the first Group D League match, Odisha dropped Rajasthan 14-0. In the Group A first League match, Manipur drew with Himachal Pradesh 1-1. 21 different teams from India are taking part in the tournament organized by All Manipur Football Association under the aegis of All India Football Federation. West Bengal will play Mizoram, Uttarakhand will meet Chhattisgarh, and Maharashtra will play Tamil Nadu tomorrow. Manipur Judo Association has condoled the deaths of the first NIS Judo diploma holder from Manipur and the entire Northeast, K. Chandra Singh. Members of the MJA observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed soul. Kangleicha Football Club today appeals for financial assistance from the people for participation in the Northeast Tamchon football tournaments to be held at Ambedkar Stadium, New Delhi. Speaking at a press meet at Manipur Press Club today, Vice President of KFC Romesh Mayanglambam said the club has been facing shortage of funds and this has discouraged the young players. He appeals to the people to extend help to the players.
Manipur Labor Minister ma'am amadi businessman ma'am na Kangleicha Football Club nusibiraga amtang angam makhara donation tobiyo.
Football ki movement nama sagalaktana youth singda teenager singda afaba khunai ama oina na bagi KFC na sanction liba sana khona bada miyeng thamaga kanna campaign no oina sathari posida ko gisu saruk yapam thoye
KFC hariba Facebook page sida changbiraga donation link ama thamjabane adugi link to da mayamna nungsibiduna ekhoigi Manipur da lairiba sanaroi football gi sanaroi pumnamakpu athawai hakchang yauna yokhatpibo oina madugi link to da changbiraga donation su tawbi.
Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthongman Biren assures AMTUC and AMGEO of implementation of 7th Pay Commission within 3 months. The 11th Regional Border Committee meet between Indian and Myanmar armies reaffirms cooperation between the two neighboring countries. Lystrom Yashmin of JNV Kumbong wins the 39th State Level Student Science Seminar to represent Manipur at a National Science Seminar. And the 5th edition of North East Festival will be held in the first week of next month at Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts, New Delhi.